4 Delta Tango is cleared to Alpha Sierra Golf via as filed, up to 7,000 feet, and 057 on the squawk, 127.32 on the frequency, and void if not off by 2135 and advised by 2145. All right, we're off. For 80. Landing gear up.
Traffic,
Flaps up.
Is 7 miles to the west, inbound, so landing on runway 17, Rockwell.
Okay, we'll go ahead and contact approach now. Approach Malibu 444 Delta Tango, just off 18 Tango Echo 1.1 for 7,000.
444 Delta Tango, Long Beach approach, ID and expect altimeter 2995.
Ident and 954 Delta Tango.
4 Delta Tango, radar contact 5 miles southwest of Gilmer Airport altitude.
4 Delta Tango is 1.8 for 7,000.
4 Delta Tango, roger, and air precipitation 12 o'clock, 2 miles, approximately 5 miles in diameter, light to moderate precipitation.
4 Delta Tango, thank you.
What do you see out there in front of you right now?
Yeah, it's hard to tell. We're about halfway in the soup here, so I can't really see what's up ahead, but I'm painting the moderate ahead of us.
Roger, are you on course or are you deviating?
We're on course right now, sir.
Roger.
We are in the thick of it now, and we'll see how the ride goes here.
Kinger 6 Papa Alpha, I'm not sure if you see the weather yet this time. We have a little bit of precip on the airport at this time. Majority of it's actually now to the north. All the weather is moving to the north-northeast, but it extends to the west probably 25 miles or so. Their heaviest precipitation is northwest airport, between 10 to 15 miles.
Okay, yeah, I'm seeing it. Looks like it's kind of sitting on top of you right now. Are you getting moderate rain right now?
Just north of the airport, we did get hit with a pretty good shower here just a minute ago, but it's moved on. But it's slowly, I think, moving to the north-northeast.
Okay, I'm anticipating we're going to be out of this moderate
Two-4-5-1 Alpha for cancellation
fairly
received.
quickly here.
Depart for exchange approved. VFB 51 Alpha. 069 Zulu Alpha, contact Fort Worth Center 126.72. Good day. Fort Delta Tango, say current flight conditions.
4 Delta Tango, we just passed through the area of moderate. We're in light now and should be out of it here pretty quick.
Roger.
And approach 6 Papa Alpha. I see the track now. Kind of looks like it might be best to go around the south end, land to the north.
Hey, Kinger 6 Papa Alpha, that's what I would say. UNR nav 36 at this time.
Yep, that'll work.
Kinger 6 Papa Alpha, turn right heading 180. I'm going to take you around all of that weather.
Thanks, sir. 6 Papa Alpha, 180 on the heading.
Kinger 6 Papa Alpha, descent pilot discretion maintain 6,000.
6,000 discretion. We'll head that way now, 6 Papa Alpha.
Number 177-900. Just that aircraft, I don't think you heard him, is on the frequency. He just passed about 4 miles west of the Gilmer Airport, and moderate precipitation there. If you just want to continue further, try and go down for about a 5-mile final, it should keep us clear from the weather.
And approach Malibu 4 Delta Tango, we're completely out of precip at this point.
Number 4 Delta Tango, roger, thank you. Number 790, that aircraft is completely out of precipitation 5 miles northwest of the Gilmer Airport. Kinger 6 Papa Alpha, air precipitation 11 or 12 o'clock at 8 miles, roughly about 5 miles in diameter. Let me know if you need to deviate more west of that.
Roger. Tell you what, looks like we'll probably go ahead and do that right now, 6 Papa Alpha.
BBQ, your 6 Papa Alpha, turn right heading 190. If you need more, just let me know.
Okay, 190, we'll stick with that for now, 6 Papa Alpha.
444 Delta Tango, contact Fort Worth Center 123.902, good day.
23.902, good day, 4 Delta Tango. Center, good afternoon, Malibu 444 Delta Tango, 6,000 for 7,000.
Malibu 444 Delta Tango, Fort Worth Center low, the Texas can altimeter 2997.
97, 4 Delta Tango.
4 Delta Tango, there are scout areas of moderate heavy precip. Your route looks good, but if you need any deviations or anything like that, just let me know.
4 Delta Tango, thanks. We are in the clear and no precip where we are now. We are just established at 7,000 feet here. Looks like we're getting continuous light chop. Hopefully the ride will approve ahead as we make our way through some of this precipitation. I think the worst is behind us. You can see we just departed Alert Field here, and what's coming is some pretty heavy rain. So we wanted to get out of there before that set in. Making our way back to Springdale, Arkansas today, and should be about an hour or so en route, and look forward to a good flight. After this precipitation, I think it's clear all the way in, so shouldn't be anything too surprising. Check the weather here in Springdale. Looks like visibility 10 clear. So wind from the south at 13, but other than that, looks like it's completely clear. Look forward to having you along. We have just spent a week at a family conference that we participate in every year, and so it's been a good week. And I will say I did get a chance to slip away and fly down to College Station yesterday, and I got to tell you, I had the best barbecue I've ever had in my life. 1775 Texas Pit Barbecue in College Station was incredible. The brisket and the ribs were just world class, so highly recommend. And it's a good place to fly in to the College Station Class Delta. They've got plenty of loaner cars and stuff, and then it's about a 10-minute drive from there. So highly recommend that. I know a lot of people that fly through the Texas area like to stop for barbecue, and that was a hit. So anyway, I'm expecting some bumps, and we're going to get them here as we enter the clouds, and hopefully it's not too bad. Hard to pick out the buildup.
November 46072, I would like to request cancel flight following.
We're going to stay relatively low. It's not a very long flight, and the winds here at 7,000 feet are actually probably they're definitely the most favorable as far as everything in the forecast goes. We've got 27 knots on the tail, and so hopefully we'll get through the bumps here shortly and enjoy a nice ride back home. Okay, I'm guessing the bases are probably at maybe 6,000. So that's good to know. And tops here are probably at maybe 8,500. So we're going to go into it here for hopefully not too long. But it's good to know where the clear skies are, just in case. Outside air temperature is 11. I'm not concerned about icing. We'll keep an eye out, but not super concerned about it. Well, once again, I apologize for the sparse video output. Retirement and selling a home, buying a home, moving, planning for a wedding, executing a wedding. Things have been a little busy, And candidly, it's weird. I've had a lot of flights and gathered a lot of footage, but just nothing interesting. A lot of VFR stuff, clear air. You know, nothing that seems like it would be very interesting. So I got a lot of content, but not a lot of value, I think. So I'll keep collecting it and see what I can put together and get it out as soon as I can and get back in a groove here. But thanks everybody for your support, and I know a number of people have reached out just to make sure we're still living, and I appreciate that. So obviously you can see we're -1 in the back seat now. Oldest daughter Katie just got married 4 weeks ago, and so we're getting used to a lighter load. And but anyway, just thanks again to everybody who's been reaching out, making sure we're okay. All right, since I don't have much else to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and start getting prepared. I'm showing 43 minutes to go. We'll get our frequencies set up here. 124675 on the AWAS. And 0.6 on ground.
Fort Delta Tango, contact Memphis on 126.1, good day.
26-1, good day, Fort Delta Tango. Center, good afternoon, Malibu 444 Delta Tango 7000. We'll give that a few more miles and see if we don't pick them up. All right, so in Springdale, clouds are broken at 6,500, visibility's 10, wind is out of the south at 13, so they'll be clearing runway 18. Otherwise, it's everything's looking pretty good there.
6,000 loss, 713.
All right, we'll give them a try again. Center, Malibu 444 Delta Tango.
November 444 Delta Tango, Memphis Center got you on at 7,000, mean altimeter 29908.
908, 4 Delta Tango, thanks. So I'm noticing something interesting here. I actually saw this yesterday. Get this camera, I'll show you. You notice my oil temperature's unusually low. I think that's a wonky probe, and then also my manifold pressure. I noticed yesterday in the rain, I'm getting
to your destination as filed. Climb and maintain flight level 2
fluctuations up and down, and it seems to stabilize at some point, but it's kind of jumping all over the place. So I don't know if it's a loose probe, a bad probe, or something, but it seems to only happen when I'm in the rain, which is a little weird. So something I will have to look at.
Memphis Envoy 3841, 10.5 and 15 direct comma.
Go ahead and reset.
Memphis climb and maintain a flight level 180.
Reset the engine monitor
180, Envoy 3841.
and see if that doesn't correct itself here. Okay, so the oil temperature probe is now working. See, it's up in the green at 158, and the manifold pressure is still jumping around, so I will have to take a look at that.
November 444 Delta Tango, contact Razorback approach 120.9er, good day.
20.9er, good day, Fort Delta Tango.
Envoy 3841, you can increase to 2.
Approach Malibu 444 Delta Tango 7000.
Malibu 444 Delta Tango, Razorback approach to Fort Smith altimeter 29er, 902.
902, Fort Delta Tango. Okay.
Springdale Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 2212 Zulu. Wind 210 at 11 knots.
Okay, we've got the weather at Springdale. Looks like it's scattered at 6,500 now, so we will expect a visual to 18. Well, looks like the sun's starting to break through there. Haven't seen that in a while.
Fort Delta Tango, to maintain 6,000.
6,000, Fort Delta Tango. Okay, cabin pressurization is set right where I want it. And we'll keep all the power settings. Yep, I think we're going to be visual here at 6,000. Okay, so 26.6 is going to be our next frequency. We'll get that dialed in, and then after that, we can put tower 18.2 in standby after we get that handoff.
Fort Delta Tango, contact Razorback 126.6, how we go?
26.6, good day, Fort Delta.
87 Mike Tango, checking in 7,000.
I was close. You're the other one. 87 Mike Tango, Razorback Approach. Good afternoon. The altimeter is 29904.
2994, good afternoon, 7 Mike Tango.
And approach Malibu 444 Delta Tango 6,000.
Malibu 444 Delta Tango, Razorback Approach. Good afternoon. Select visual 18.
Fort Delta.
Hello, Razorback, Lear 2758 Whiskey, level 16,000 with Victor.
Lear 2758 Whiskey, Razorback Approach. Good afternoon. Set to maintain 4,000.
Vacating 16,000 to 4,000, 58 Whiskey.
And approach Malibu 4 Delta Tango, we got the minute weather, it's right now.
Thank you.
Well, so I just noticed that I have a flagged right vacuum pump. You can see the red dot there. So it looks like the right vacuum pump is failed. So I'm going to have to get that taken care of. Thankfully, I've got a good standby. So the only thing that runs off the vacuum system now in this plane, which I would have completely removed after my panel upgrade, is the boots. So because of the ice system, I still require a vacuum system. Alright, so we'll check on the altimeter setting one more time.
2.11 Celsius. Altimeter 2.995 inches of mercury.
Alright, so nothing changed there.
The 4 Delta Tango, set to maintain 5,000.
5,000, Fort Delta Tango.
Number 108 Romeo Lima, Razorback departure ident. Climb maintain 15,000.
Will ident 15,000, Romeo Lima.
4 Delta Tango, turn 15 to the right vectors for the left downwind.
15 right, Fort Delta Tango.
Romeo Lima, radar contact 4 miles southeast of the Bentonville Airport. The altimeter is 29903.
Approach Malibu 4 Delta Tango, got the airport inside at 11 o'clock.
4 Delta Tango, cleared visual approach, runway 18.
Third 18, Fort Delta Tango.
Approach runway 3685, 11.4, descending 10,000.
4 Delta Tango, contact Springdale Tower 118.2. Have a good day.
Over to tower, good day, Fort Delta Tango. Tower Malibu 444 Delta Tango, visual 18.
Malibu 444 Delta Tango, Springdale Tower, wind 18011, altimeter 295, runway 18, clear to land.
Clear to land 18, Fort Delta Tango. Okay, well, nothing like the old slam dunk. We're at 1,500 foot a minute rated descent. I got the gear out, and and the spoilers out. Okay, we're going to bring the spoilers back in here. Alright, we are downwind, beam the numbers, autopilot's off, mixture is going full rich, gear are down and locked, prop is full forward, power set where I want, fuel is on the most full tank. Start getting this thing slowed down. Alright, beautiful mountaintop homes up here. Give you a little view out the wing there. Airspeed's good. And we'll just keep our turn going to final here. Alright, full flaps.
$500.
All right, center line. Speed's coming down nicely. There we go.
November 4 Delta Tango, taxi 2 Parker, remain this frequency. Have a good day.
For Delta Tango, roger. Okay, we're home. Flaps are up. Air conditioning is back on. We are home. It's been a pleasure having you along for the ride, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.